Standard 6F says to analyze the issues associated with Reconstruction. Reconstruction began during the Civil War and ended in 1877. Just as the fate of slavery was central to the meaning of the Civil War, so the divisive politics of Reconstruction turned on the status the former slaves would assume it in the reunited nation. Reconstruction turned on the status the former slaves would assume in the reunited nation. Reconstruction remains relevant today because the issues central to it, the role of the federal government in protecting citizens' rights, and the possibility of economic and racial justice are still unresolved. Northern victory in the Civil War decided the fate of the Union and of slavery, but posed numerous problems. How should the nation be reunited? What system of labor should replace slavery? What would be the status of the former slaves? Rather than passive victims of the actions of others, African Americans were active agents in shaping Reconstruction. In time, the North abandoned its commitment to protect the rights of former slaves. Reconstruction came to an end, and white supremacy was restored throughout the South. For much of this century, Reconstruction was widely viewed as an era of corruption and misgovernment, supposedly caused by allowing blacks to take part in politics. This interpretation helped to justify the South's system of racial segregation and denying the vote to blacks, which survived into the 1960s. Today, as a result of new research and changes in American race relations, historians view Reconstruction as a time of genuine progress for former slaves and the South as a whole. For all Americans, Reconstruction was a time of fundamental social, economic, and political change.